How to use FBD, Car Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. FBD Car Insurance is one of Ireland's leading providers, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One common mistake is relying solely on third-party coverage. While it satisfies legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Opting for comprehensive coverage protects both your vehicle and your finances in the event of an accident. Misunderstanding deductibles is another frequent error. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases premiums, while a high deductible saves on premiums but may leave you paying more if a claim arises. Finding the right balance is key. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes such as moving, adding a new driver, or buying a new car can affect your coverage. Not keeping feed updated could result in gaps or deny claims. Many drivers overlook discounts. FBD offers savings for safe driving, no claims history, and bundled policies. Missing these can cost you hundreds annually. Finally, not understanding the claims process can slow things down. Always document damages, report accidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize FBD Car Insurance Ireland. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively, giving you confidence every time you drive.